BioBlocks, the biofactory. Ronack's BioBlocks are a customizable tissue-mimetic structure that enables the development of a bio-mimetic microenvironment. This system bypasses traditional 2D and 3D culture methods and potentially limits the need for animal studies. The BioBlocks offer three key differentiators. They are sophisticated tissue-mimetic structures. They enhance the development of cellular function. They encourage cellular signaling. These all lead to the development of a bio-mimetic microenvironment. The BioBlocks provide insights at the cell-to-cell level and enable the study of tissue physiology. The results are clear. The tissue created has retained its natural state longer, has more consistent phenotypes, lower senescence, and improved biological output. Innovators can now produce more high-quality data for translational applications. Contact us to learn more about this revolutionary system and discover how it can transform your research. Ronack's BioBlocks, the biofactory, has arrived.